Researchers with the University of Maryland looked at data from Baltimore City Circuit Court from 2017 to 2018. The study looked at several different things, including the race of the defendants, the charges, and sentencing decisions.
Some of the key findings are that compared to the proportion in the population, black defendants are overrepresented in circuit court cases. On average, they tend to face more serious criminal charges, especially in firearm and drug cases, and they have more significant criminal histories.
According to the university's Racial Justice and Prosecution report, black people account for 63% of the city's population, but 83% of arrests and 88% of circuit court felony cases.
Much of this report makes for uncomfortable reading, but it should serve as a wake-up call.
The analysis goes on to find that black defendants are more likely to have their cases dismissed and are less likely to be convicted. The authors say this suggests giving more attention to the initial filing of charges.
So overall, the report concludes that the general pattern of results does not suggest overarching or systemic patterns of racial disparity in the specific decisions of the prosecutor's office in Baltimore City Circuit Court cases.
From Daphne Alston with mothers of murdered sons, there was an emotional plea for the focus to be continued on change in the court system. Today would have been her son Tariq's 36th birthday, whose killer still evades Harford County Sheriff's Office.
This tear I have, one for my son and one for the public who doesn't understand that these policies must change.
Researchers say over time it's important to look at the COVID-19 pandemic impacts as well as those connecting policy changes, including not prosecuting certain low-level misdemeanors since March of 2020. I'm reporting from Baltimore. I'm Christina Mendez for WJZ.